Hello and Assalamu alaikum. This counseling session is for those who want to make their career in the field of finance and accountancy. So, in this session, I will tell you that what is ACCA and why it is recommended for your career. So, ACCA, Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. ACCA is a UK-based professional accountancy qualification and which is recognized in more than 170 plus countries, right? So, firstly, let us look at that what options we have uh, if not ACCA, right? We have traditional route. For example, you can go for uh, graduation in a business, bachelor's in business administration, known as BBA, which will cost you around 1.2 million Pakistani rupees, right? Or you can say, right, almost 5,000 US dollars or more than that, right? And that will take your 4 years. After that, you will go for MBA, Masters in Business Administration, which will cost you Pakistani 600,000 rupees. Uh, that means around $2,500. So total $7,500, or you can say 1.8 million Pakistani rupees, and that will take away your 6 years, right? And then you will be capable of going through the job and start earning. Whereas now, I will name it as modern route, that is ACCA. Registration will cost you 90 pounds, Pakistani rupees, around 15,000, that is 14,800, and then overall tuition fees of FIA 70,000, uh, initial tuition fees, that means 300, and then exam fees pound 84 per paper, knowledge level papers 84 pounds. It will cost you that, and uh, knowledge level tuition fees will cost you 16,000 per rupees, and then we have tuition fee of pound 70 in skills level, that is 16,000 Pakistani rupees. And exam fee is around and 111 pounds, that is around 25,000 Pakistani rupees. Whereas exam fees of SBL exam is 250 pounds, and SBR, AFM, APM, and others papers exam fee is around 154 pounds per paper and around 35,000 or more Pakistani rupees per paper. So overall cost of ACCA will be 600,000, and overall cost of the ACCA is pound 2,500, and it will take maximum 4 to 5 years to complete ACCA. Okay, so who is eligible for ACCA? Students who have done matric, inter, O levels, A levels, bachelor's. Even if you are done with the masters, you can opt for the ACCA. Right? Those students in who are intended to join ACCA after matric, inter, O levels, or you can say after the high school, they has to do first FIA, that is Foundation in Accountancy. Right? It has 7 examinations: FA1 regarding financial transactions, MA1 management information, FA2 maintaining financial records, MA2 managing cost and finance, FBT business and technology, FFA financial accounting, FFA management accounting. Right? Those students who are entering into the ACCA through a FIA route, their knowledge level will be exempt, right? They do not need to appear for the knowledge level. And these all of these papers, that means FIA papers, knowledge level of ACCA, and first paper of ACCA, that is corporate and business law, are on demand CBE, that means computer based examination, and on demand means that you can sit for, you will go to the examination center, you will book for the exams uh, according to the date whichever you want, and you will, on the date of examination, you will sit in front of the computer and you will solve the exam questions. There will be 50 questions around 100 marks exams, and you will get the exam result on the spot as soon as you complete your exam. Right. After that, uh, FIA, your knowledge level will be examined. And as you can see, last three papers of FIA, that is FPT, FMA, and FFA, are same as business and technology, management technology, financial account, right? So this will be your exam, and you will straight away move to the skills level. And your first paper of corporate and business law, as I mentioned, is on demand CBE as well. Then from performance management to financial management and strategic level exams, all of these exams are also CBE, but they are not on demand. They are not on demand. They are also CBE, but ACCA do conduct this examination either in March, either in June, either in September or December, right? That means quarterly basis. ACCA conduct this examination, and you get results of these examinations after 1.5 months. Okay. So, performance management. Uh, Performance management is an advanced paper of management accounting, or you can say FMA. Right, taxation will be a new paper for you, in which you will learn the taxation. Financial reporting is the advanced paper of FFA, or you can say FA. Audit and assurance will be the new paper for you, and financial management is also will be a new paper for you. Right. When you are done with the skills level, you have the option of that you will write the thesis of 10,500 words, right? And you will submit the fee of pound 250. You will submit it to the Oxford Brookes University, and you will get a degree of BSc in applied accounting as well. That's on your wish if you want to get the degree, which is one of the most recognized university in the world, right? You can get it. Then you will move to the strategic level. And in strategic level, your first two papers are compulsory, which are strategic business leader, and SBL will be a new paper for you, and it is very interesting paper, right? Then we have next exam, which is strategic business reporting, SBR, which is an advanced paper of finance reporting. And then we have optional papers, right? That means out of this four exams, you have to pass two exams. You have to pass two exams out of this two to be a ACCA qualified, or should I say ACCA F. Along with that, you need 3 years working experience to be a ACCA member, right? And you cannot can start working in the field. It's my recommendation that you should start working after the ACCA skills level, if you say the ACCA part. Right now, if you're A-level student, you have done the BCom or you have done the bachelor's degree, your ACCA will start from the knowledge level and the rest is same, right? Also, for after doing the ACCA part 3, you have one more option, that is you will give extra 3 exams and you will get the degree of MSc degree, Master in Sciences in Accounting and Finance from University of London, right? So ACCA itself is a one of number one professional accountancy qualification. Then you're getting a degree from Oxford Brookes University, and then you also have the option of getting the master's degree from University of London. Right now, the question is, what's the scope of ACCA? Well, you can work as an accountant uh, anywhere in the world. You can be the external auditor. You can be the financial advisor. You can be the taxation officer. You can work as an internal auditor. You can work as a data analyst. You can work in the management consultancy firm. So these are the few options. Besides that, we have some more options as well, but these are the some few options which I mentioned here. You can work in this field after doing the ACCA, and you can work. It's a global ACCA is a global passport for you. You can work anywhere in the world as well in any organization. So, if you have any questions, you can also contact me on +92 334 17777 06. Right. Uh, well, we are the online school, and we are offering the disqualification ACCA, right? And let me show you our website, which is accountancy.com. Just a second, folks. Yep. So it is our website, accountancy.com, which is just loading. Please be here with me. Right. We are offering all of both this financial and accountancy qualification as well as ACCA, right? If you want to enroll with us uh, to study, if you want to get the quality classes and education for FIA, Foundation in Accountancy, and ACCA, so what you need to do, it's very simple. You can get the recorded lectures as well as you can get the live online classes and all. What you need to do, for example, if you're need to study FIA, go to the here it is, FIA, click on it. If you want to enroll for the FA1, just click on the online classroom in whatever language you want, live online classroom English or live online classroom Urdu or Hindi, right? So in whatever language you want, click on it. For example, you want it in English, right? Click over there. Just a second, it's loading. For example, you want it in Urdu, for example. Okay, here it is. You click on it on autopilot classroom. For example, you want click on the get course, right? You will sign up and you will log in, and then you will click on the enroll course, and then you will choose the pay fast option to pay via any of your debit cards using Union Pay debit cards or PayPal debit cards or Visa Master credit card, whatever option you want to choose. Choose it, enter your details, and click on the payment, and that's it. It's very simple, right? So we are offering all of the papers, FA1, MA1. As you can see, FA1, if you want to choose MA1, click on MA1. If you want to choose FA2, click on FA2. And if you want to study ACCA papers, um, for example, you want to study BT. BT is already open over here, as you can see. MA, for example, you want to study MA, click on the MA paper, and then you will have the classrooms, the autopilot classrooms and online classrooms, right? Now, what are the difference between the both? Autopilot classroom, English means autopilot classroom in English, autopilot classroom Urdu means autopilot classrooms language in Urdu and Hindi language. All right. Whereas online classrooms and what are the difference between autopilot classroom and online classroom? Autopilot classroom consists of recorded video lectures, course notes, exam tips, and tutor support on WhatsApp. Whereas online classroom will consist of live online classes on the Zoom cloud meeting, recorded video lectures, course notes, uh, exam tips, assignments. That means teacher will check your assignments and give you feedback, right? And also there will be a difference. Autopilot accessibility will be for 90 days, whereas online classroom accessibility will be for 180 days, right? So these are the differences. And now, if you want have any other questions, you can contact me on, as I mentioned over here, +92 03341777706. I hope it's helpful to you all. See you soon in the next session. Bye bye.